You're going to open up emblem.finance and choose Namecoin, the protocol. You're going to choose empty vault because vaults are dynamic and hit create Namecoin vault. You're going to come down and select the NMC deposit address. You're going to go ahead and copy that address and then open up your favorite Namecoin wallet. Most likely it is Electrum. Go over to manage names, choose the domain or asset, hit configure name, paste in the address, and then send. You'll see the green dot in the corner. And then you're going to want to send Namecoin, the currency, so that the asset will renewal in the vault itself, because we do offer a auto renewal feature. You go over to the Explorer, and there you could see the 2 transactions that have been verified on the blockchain. Once you're ready, you go down and you'll see your assets deposited into the vault. You're going to go ahead and hit Mint Vault and then verify the transaction. On the left there, you see is a shield that I use to prevent from interacting with wallet drainers. And if you go down, you'll see it says minting vault at the bottom, and you see the 2 assets inside. Once the vault has been minted, you could go down and it'll say unlock vault.